Ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, all you need to be is B-boy. Because a better version of yourself, kakayanin mo yan. Because a better version of yourself, malalampasan mo yan. Because a better version of yourself, dadaanan mo lang yan. It will become worse first for it to become better. Useless ang success. Again, useless ang success if you won't feel failure. Kapag hindi mo naramdamang dumapa, baliwala ang paglipad. So ngayon, na nakadapa ka, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, handa ka na bang lumipad? Because when you're down, there's no way but up! Lahat ng may pangarap, tumayo! Namiss namin kayong lahat. Namiss natin mag-gathering ng ganito. Okay? So there's a lot of things happening outside. There's a lot of things happening in our businesses. And the goal is to keep on improving. Evolution, may it be people, thank you, may it be people, may it be businesses, may it be companies, may it be industries, there's always evolution. And when we talk about evolution, it's all about improving. It's all about being enhanced. It's all about delivering new technologies. It's all about harnessing the power of the future or creating the future itself. For some people using technology, for some people who are into a relationship, for some people who are creating companies, there's always a stage of evolution where the degree of improvement soars. Ang laki ng improvement in a short period of time. May iba naman, slowly but surely, mabagal. Okay, but the goal is to keep on improving. At times, please remember this, you need to feel the worst to get better. Magdadaan ka daw muna sa konting paghihirap bago gumanda at sumarap ang buhay. Nakaka-relate ba kayo? Sa relationship naman, at times kailangang may mapalitan para makahanap ka ng bago na mas maganda. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo, sabihin mo, huy, dapat ka na bang palitan? Sabihin mo, huy, ako na ba yung better? For some, the businesses or their income, medyo kinakailangan munang bumaba bago umangat ng todo-todo. Tama o tama? Even in our economy, when you talk about stocks, when you talk about forex, when you talk about crypto, they will say it's a bear market. Pag sinabing bear market, bagsak. But some people are bullish. Pag sinabing bullish, hopeful ka na tataas. Bago tumaas ng todo-todo, talagang ang market, ang business, ang buhay, ang relationship, ang income, medyo nagdidip ng konti. Remember, we are in business. Everybody say business. Hindi totoo yung every month pataas ng pataas ng pataas ng pataas ng income. It's always been tataas, medyo bababa, tataas, medyo bababa, tataas ng tataas, tataas, medyo bababa. It's fluctuating. Okay na ba? It's fluctuating. So pag nag-fluctuate ang income, don't worry. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, don't worry. Because at times, things will get worse to get better. In short, may timing. In short, baka may hinahanap din sa yung pagbabago. Kasi may kulang pa sa iyo eh. That's why it's an evolutionary process. Even in technologies, even in business. That's why we're creating new activities. Even in school, nakita niyo yung mga anak niyo, merong offline, may online, may hybrid, pinagsasabay. Same goes with our business. Mag-ingay ang mga onliners na nasa hub. Mag-ingay naman ang mga offliners na nagtatao-tao sa labas. Meron din. So the goal of the company is to support. Everybody say support. Is to support both activities. So magkakaroon tayo ng new activities. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga convention and conferences within Metro Manila, outside Metro Manila, to cater both online and offline. Okay po ba yun? Because things are evolving. Even in the banking industry. Pansinin nyo, dati pagpupunta ka sa bangko, kinakailangan nakaligo ka, nakatoothbrush ka, di ba nakapantalong ka, nakasapatos, nakamedyas, magbabayad ka lang ng bills, magdideposit ka lang, magbabayad ka lang ng loans. Pero ngayon, pagkagising mo, hindi ka pa nagsusupilo, hindi ka pa naliligo, GCash, pasa. Bayad na. Tama o tama? It's evolving. Technologies are evolving. Same goes with our business. New products. You've seen some of our new products. We will be launching more. Everybody say more. We will be launching more and more and more products that would cater a lot of market segments. So abangan nyo yan. Abangan nyo yung maraming products na ilo-launch natin na makakatulong sa ating market every now and then. Its products are also evolving. Dati ganito yung uso, pills, iniinom lang. Ngayon ang uso, iniinom, titimplahin. Nagigets nyo? So we will be coming with products like that. Pampaganda, pampalakas, so that the immune system would grow. So we would be protected with sa maraming sakit. It keeps on enhancing. It keeps on improving. What else? New services. Ayan. There will come a time we will be offering new services, particularly financial services. Everybody say financial services. Can you imagine yung income mo? Kunwari, income mo sa Easy Wallet, pwedeng pambayad ng Meralco. Pwedeng pambayad ng credit card. Pwedeng pang pasa load. Pwedeng pambili ng load. Okay po ba yung ganon? We are creating new opportunities in the financial market. So we will be offering financial services very, very soon. So we are also evolving in terms of services. Ayan na. We will be launching very, very soon what we call BNPL or Business Now, Pay Later. BNPL, guys, BNPL is a $1 trillion industry. It's buy now, pay later. The good news is this. For those prospects who have credit cards, pwede nilang bayaran yung mga gagawin nating bagong packages. Installment 1 year to pay, 0% interest. That's why we are branding it as Business Now, Pay Later. Of course, kung meron sa Easy, hindi papahuli si OVI. Kaya merong Insure Now, Pay Later. Can you imagine? Hindi ka pabayad kasi nga 1 year to pay. Hindi ka pabayad pero kumikita ka na. Hindi ka babayad, malaki na income mo. Hindi ka babayad, insured ka pa kaagad. Maganda o napakaganda? Ayun, pabukas na, bossing. All of these things we called dynamic evolution. Everybody say dynamic. Everybody say evolution. We keep on doing all of these improvements simply to give you dynamic evolution, to serve you more, to give you more, to provide more value on our products, on our services, on our businesses. Because we believe dynamic evolution will give you BVOY. Everybody say BVOY. If you want to remember one thing tonight, pag tinanong ka ng nanay mo, saan ka galing? Galing ako dun sa BVOY. Ano natutunan mo tonight bukod sa Chok Chok Glow? BVOY. Dynamic evolution will result to BVOY. What is BVOY? BVOY is a better version of yourself. Doc, why do I need a better version of myself? Kontento ka na ba kung ano ikaw ngayon? Kontento ka na ba kung ano income mo ngayon? Kontento ka na ba kung ano sasakyan mo ngayon? Kontento ka na ba kung ano meron ka sa pamilya mo ngayon? Do you want more? We provide dynamic evolution so that each and every one of you has the chance to be boy, to become a better version of yourself. The goal is whatever hardships, whatever challenges you have right now, whatever struggles, everybody say struggles. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, huy! Hirapan ka ba? BVOY. Ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, all you need to be is BVOY. Because a better version of yourself, kakayanin mo yan. Because a better version of yourself, malalampasan mo yan. Because a better version of yourself, dadaanan mo lang yan. It will become worse first for it to become better. Useless ang success. Again, useless ang success if you won't feel failure. Kapag hindi mo naramdamang dumapa, baliwala ang paglipad. So ngayon, na nakadapa ka, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, handa ka na bang lumipad? Because when you're down, there's no way but up! Lahat ng may pangarap, tumayo! Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, this year, iba ang future ko! This year, iba ang pangarap ko! Because I am evolving! Thank you very much. Welcome to the better version of yourself. I love you all.